Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like your AI tools give you super generic answers? You ask a simple question, and you get back something, well, just okay? It's frustrating, right? The secret isn't just about crafting better prompts, it's about mastering an even more fundamental skill, learning to ask smarter, more insightful questions. Today, we're diving deep into how to truly unlock AI's full potential by transforming basic interactions into opportunities for deeper learning, incredible problem-solving, and next-level critical thinking. Get ready to supercharge your AI game. You see, AI is incredibly powerful, but it's not a mind-reader. It responds to what you give it. Think of it like having the world's smartest assistant. If you give them vague instructions, you'll get vague results. So, how do we get those amazing, specific, mind-blowing answers? Let's break it down into actionable steps. First up, be specific and provide context. This is probably the biggest game changer. Instead of asking "tell me about climate change," try something like, "explain the main causes of climate change, focusing on human activities, and suggest 3 practical actions an individual can take to reduce their carbon footprint in daily life." See the difference? The more detail you provide about what you want and why you want it, the better the AI can tailor its response. Think about your audience, your desired format, and any specific constraints. Don't make AI guess what you're really looking for. Give it the full picture. Next, define your goal. Before you even type a single word, ask yourself, what am I trying to achieve with this AI interaction? Do you need to brainstorm ideas? Summarize a long article? Get a simple explanation of a complex topic? Compare and contrast 2 different concepts. Once you know your goal, you can structure your question around it. For example, if you want to brainstorm, explicitly say, "Brainstorm 10 creative marketing ideas for a new sustainable coffee shop targeting Gen Z, focusing on social media campaigns." This clarity guides the AI directly to your desired outcome. Third, and this is crucial, embrace follow-up questions. Don't treat your AI interaction as a one-and-done deal. It's a conversation. If the first answer isn't perfect, or you want to dig deeper, ask follow-up questions. Can you elaborate on point number 2? What are the potential downsides of that approach? Can you explain that concept in simpler terms, as if I'm a complete beginner? This iterative process allows you to refine the AI's output, explore different angles, and truly understand the subject matter. It's how you move from a basic answer to a comprehensive understanding. Our 4th tip, leverage AI's unique strengths. AI isn't just a search engine. It's a powerful tool for synthesis, analysis, and creativity. Ask it to do things that would take you hours. For instance, analyze this text for recurring themes and summarize the author's main argument. Or, generate 5 catchy headlines for a blog post about productivity hacks, ensuring they appeal to busy professionals. You can even ask it to role-play, act as a financial advisor and explain compound interest to me like I'm 16 years old. By playing to its strengths, you get incredibly valuable and nuanced outputs. So there you have it. Moving beyond generic prompts to asking truly effective questions is the game changer for anyone using AI. By being specific, defining your goals, embracing follow-ups, and leveraging AI's unique strengths, you're not just using a tool, you're mastering a powerful partner for learning, creativity, and problem-solving. This isn't just about getting better answers, it's about developing your own critical thinking skills as you guide the AI. If you found these tips helpful and you're ready to unlock even more of AI's potential, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more AI tools and tech insights, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. And tell me in the comments below, what's the most surprising or useful thing you've ever got an AI to do with a smart question? I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.